Have you ever tried to log into your Revolut account only to find it's been blocked? It's a frustrating experience, especially when you need access to your money. But before you panic, it's important to understand why this happens and what you can do about it. Revolut, like all financial institutions, is legally required to follow strict anti-money laundering and security regulations. This means they're constantly monitoring for anything that looks out of the ordinary. A blocked account isn't necessarily a sign you've done something wrong. It could be due to a sudden large transaction, an unusual number of international payments, or even a simple security check to protect you from potential fraud. So, what should you do if it happens to you? First, don't try to open a new account. This will only complicate the issue. The single most important thing is to check the Revolut app and your email. Revolut will send you a notification explaining the situation and asking for specific documents or information. This could be anything from a photo of your ID to proof of the source of a recent large transfer. The key here is to provide everything they ask for, clearly and promptly. You might be frustrated, but being uncooperative or sending low-quality images will only delay the process. Make sure the documents you upload are up to date and all the information is readable. Also, be aware that customer support agents can't simply unblock your account. Their hands are tied because the process is handled by a separate, dedicated team. Harassing them won't help. It's better to provide the requested information and wait. Revolut aims to resolve these issues quickly, but in some complex cases, it can take longer. It's also a good idea to have backup documents ready, like proof of address or a clear breakdown of a recent transaction. This can speed things up if they need more information. In short, stay calm, check your notifications, and cooperate fully by providing all the documents they request. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.